Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Welcome. How is everyone doing? If there is anyone, this is good. This is good. Oh man, what a start of the stream. Didn't mean to do this. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, mic is working. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm going to wait a few minutes for folks to join before I start. Yo, Tan the man. Welcome, welcome, buddy. How are you doing? I needed someone to come in and tell me the audio and the setup is good. I had so much problems setting up the stream today. How are you doing, Tan? Can you hear me okay? Is this good? Oh, there's no music here. There's no music. It must be super silent. See, I just realized even YouTube added this Twitch like feature where even before someone is live, people can come and start chatting in the comment section. That is cool. Yo, Code Guy, welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Code Guy, are you the same Ivor in YouTube in Discord? You are Ivor or I variable. What is that? Ivor is I variable? I'm trying to put names to like match names in Discord and YouTube so I know. How are you guys doing? I'm so sorry I'm late, but I'm still early than before, early than my previous streams. And the good news is this is going to be permanent. Our state decided to permanently enable daylight saving. So the time difference will be permanent. So the stream timings will be early, not too late for you guys, not too early for me, just right. Doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Let me put on some music. It will be better than me singing. To Mehbooba. You are speaking lowercase? Wait, what? What do you mean by lowercase? Speak in lowercase? Mm-hmm. 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 This is good. Am I in uppercase now? May I? Is this good? Mic testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now good? Okay. How are you doing, code guy? Tan, how are you? How's life? Man, see, I was trying to fix my PC issues, which I'm worried can come up anytime. Now good? Oh yeah. So what are we doing today? This I'll keep open. I need this. This I do need. When I lost context of what we were doing last time. I think we were building BlockParty, right? So are you guys working on any fun projects? Okay, I'm super disoriented. So I had two thoughts. What's the agenda today? That's what I'm thinking. So one option is we continue working on BlockParty. Where is that notion? Where is BlockParty? Hopefully. Oh, this is what we had to do. Damn, I had to dual stream. Now I remember. Should we do this? But I have to disconnect the stream to set this up. And it's again a hassle. I haven't set Twitch on my streaming PC on Streamlabs yet. I'm confused, guys. What should we cook? So one option is this. We can play around with this. Second option is I can continue working on the project that I'm working outside streaming hours. So outside streaming hours, I'm working on this. I'm working on this. I'm working on my own agent farm. Like, have you guys heard about OpenClaw? So these are all different AI agents that I'm configuring and working on. So maybe I can just continue working on this. What do you think, guys? Because for BlockParty, see, if you see BlockParty, we need to add a Twitch chat. Dark mode. Oh, dark mode. I don't. I support dark mode in everything I do. See? But I don't like dark mode. I mean, I like it, but then it's so bright here that it's not worth it. Sorry. I cannot see in dark mode with there's so much light here. So, tell me, what should we do? Yeah, coming back to this, for block mode, I need to add Twitch chat. To add Twitch chat, I need to disconnect the stream. Set up Twitch streaming. I already created a Twitch account. Set up Twitch streaming. And then work on this. Oh yeah. This is something I work on every day, little bit at a time. So it's a swarm of agents. So I have an agent that will do research for me. I have an agent that will track my health data. I have an agent for social media and content. I don't know how I'll use it. And this is my main agent. His name is Jarvis. And it's super funky. So it supports canvas mode as well. It can generate whatever HTML content you need in canvas. It's super cool. It supports keyboard shortcuts. So we can continue working on this, I think. Next time, one of you guys needs to remind me that I'll add this over here, and maybe I'll do it today only. Set up Twitch on Streamlabs. Man, I had so many hardware issues today. I am worried about my PC. People and their obsession to name the LLM Jarvis. Oh, see, so I had named my LLM something else, but then it evolved into something else. So first it was this. You see this on the top left corner? It was Maya. You know what is Maya? My artificially intelligent assistant, Maya. But then I came to realize that I need multiple agents doing. Oh, let's see, what does Jarvis say? Hey, you are on a live stream. People are watching. And one guy named @tan is mocking you. What do you have to say in response? Let's see. Let's see what does Jarvis come up with. If Jarvis, as a heckler, how refreshingly predictable. I am on live stream. I am not going to let a bit of low effort trolling slide. That's a bad theater. Here is how handle tantalizer. It's balanced. Dismissive. Okay. Check the canvas for script. It gave the whole script. Stream interruption addressing hecklers. It gave the whole freaking script. The camera pans slightly as I acknowledge the chat feed, my expression composed but a glint of amusement. Right then, I see we have some. Oh. Please don't stop on my account. Your commitment to mediocrity is genuinely fascinating to observe. Lol. Do we have actual questions from the audience that require functional intellect? Or should we continue to let Tantalizer demonstrate why the ignore button was invented? Okay. Jarvis has some attitude, okay? It actually mocked me too. Let me show you. Is the text can I zoom in? Do I have that? No, I don't have zoom in this. Okay, I need to add that. But can you read the text? I'll show you. It also mocks me sometimes. So I'm still building this, right? It doesn't have all the features. Like I'm still building different parts of the UI, different parts of the agents. It took the context completely. I know. It thought it was presenting. I don't know. But when I was testing, it got irritated with me. Yeah. Now that we are set, and this is how now that we have satisfied the testing requirements, that there are quotes, are we ready to move on to something more tangible, objective, or are you going to keep iterating on testing loop? And then I asked, I was giving more tools to the agent, to the backend. So I kept asking. Yeah. I again said, okay, testing, acknowledge. And it was like, acknowledged for the upteenth time. If this is a drill, consider it executed. Now please move past are you there phase and what are we actually doing today? So it has the attitude problem for sure. But I like it. I like a little sass in my agent. This is cool. So let's do something. I just realized when I was demoing that when I sent a message, I didn't get the typing wave. And I think I know why. I know why. Let me see. There's no way it knows Jarvis. Yeah, all the chat messages are different. So maybe in Jarvis, I can add a status that Jarvis is typing, right? And then based on the status, we'll see the UI. So first step is to add the status in the, oh, maybe I can just do this. I can just, okay. I'll start with the UI first. Oh yeah, Friday was also another agent, right? Another AI of Tony freaking Stark. But yeah, my agent, my LLM started with Maya, but in the end it had to be Jarvis. By the way, did you see there are other names too? We have Athena, we have Atlas, we have Bard, we have Enki, we have Hermes, we have Marco, and we have Plutus. I have 8 agents. I might combine some of them, but I don't know. I like these. Different agents for different thing kind of a approach. And so my idea is that I'm going to build a truly offline private agent for myself. By offline private means I am not going to share any details to like Telegram or WhatsApp or ChatGPT. I mean, in the end, OpenAI or Gemini might get some details because right now I'm just using their API. But in future, I'm going to get a powerful machine. I'm going to get Mac Ultra and host the LLM on for me, like on totally offline LLM. So nothing leaves the premise. That is the dream. Loneliness, I don't think, dude, this is not loneliness. This is fun. This is a fun activity. And these are not agents. These agents, they are not here to accompany me, they are here to do my work. So let me give you an example. For news and alerts, this guy is going to scrape the websites, Twitter, everything for me every 2-3 hours, 4 hours, whatever I want, and then give me a summary of things that are happening there. So one of my biggest problem with Twitter is all the tech news, all the tech information, it comes on Twitter first. Like mostly it just goes there. So I'm interested in learning everything when it happens, right? All the trends and everything. But Twitter is also filled with geopolitics and political garbage and fake news and toxicity and everything. So I don't want that. So my agent will just get the AI stuff for me and then post it over here. That is the plan. By the way, dude, you are into data science, right? And you are going to do that. So, what was I saying? Yeah, you should enjoy this more. It's not loneliness. Okay, where was I? I don't want this. Okay, I was going to add a status field. So what we are going to do is each agent chat now has a status field. And the status could be status field. Let's see. Is agent okay? Let me. Oops. I know. Okay. Each agent in real-time DB now has a status field. Example, was it? Is it /chats? Yeah. /chats /status. /Jarvis/status, which is a string field with status values, ideal, thinking, typing, researching, I don't even think we need researching. Because researching I'll need for some of the background tasks, right? When I'm just adding it for now. Where would I show that? So for active window, if this window is active, I would love to have an indicator over here, like Jarvis is typing. But if it's not active, like one of these fields, then maybe some indicator around the avatar, right? That it's doing something, right? Update the UI in the following way to indicate these statuses. Let's see. For active chat, show the status. Show the status, thinking, typing, and researching. We'll just show it over there. In the chat. I don't know how to describe that. You know, right? When you chat with people, there is a thing typing in animated manner. I don't know how to describe that. Imagine I'm telling an AI agent to imagine. What the hell? Imagine thinking and typing. I think it will understand. For non-active agents, show it in the left sidebar. Maybe somewhere near the avatar. Show the non-idle status by some animation in the avatar. Treat absent status as idle. So what else is going on, man? Tan, how's life? How's studies? How is everything going on? Is this too loud when I chew? I don't think it's loud. So once this is done, we are going to update the real-time database. I need to center the icon. I think Tan left. I think Tan left us. So after this, we will, let's see, I have a list of things I want to do here. Oh, message indicator, lucky. That was the third one. Yeah, man, I was talking to you, but you didn't respond. I thought you left. You left me, Tan. You left me. So while it does this, no, I cannot change it, otherwise I'll be confused. So I was saying, how's life? How is everything going? How's studies going? By the way, do you use AI in college somewhere? For projects, for anything? If so, what? I'm saying, do you use AI for studies, for project, for anything? If so, what? Let's focus on Jarvis. I use AI everywhere. Oh, what do you do? Which AI do you use? And how do you use it? And your life is not going very good? Oh no, man, what happened? Obviously reasonable things. Jamie in charge go to comment for research. Comment is the open AI one, right? Man, yeah. Okay, so there are no status, so all of them are ideal. Now if I go to here, add a status and say thinking, add. Did it add? Ooh, it did. I don't know why it did two of them. If I go to Hermes, add status, researching. Oh, see, it's a subtle thing, but Hermes is researching. Okay, we have something here. Comment is perplexity. Oh, OpenAI is Atlas. Sorry. Well, life happened and I realized I'm not built for it. Oh man, come on. That's way too serious and dark for a kid. I see two chat bubbles instead of one. Nice, this is good. Maybe I like the very subtle pulse. Is it different for all the icons? So if I do here typing, yeah, it's more or less same. But I mean, it's okay, good. It still adds this. Okay, that's more or less permanent. I don't know if Claude is free. If Claude is free, I'll try next. I think Claude is not free. Claude is really good, at least in my use case, and I think that's why it's not free. A 20-year-old kid. Man, 22-year-old is a kid. I'm eligible to marry and drink. Still, I'll say young kid, young person. Does that work? Build succeeds, now skips rendering when the last one. Wait. No, I still see two. So you want to marry and drink? Eh? You want to marry and drink, eh? Yeah, I still see two. Let me see, Jarvis. Nah, there's just... Now I don't see anything in Hermes. When I go here, I see... I still see two bubbles. And now I don't see UI indicator for non-active chat in the left panel. I'm going to stick to the no drinking, no smoking. Good, man. That's good. That is a good decision. Recently, I was so chill like a kid, but then life made me realize I'm not a kid. What happened, man? Tell me. Tell me your pains. I'll be back. I'm back. Oh, well, whatever it is, I'm sure it will be solved. Unlike the status bug that I'm seeing. Oh no, it's on. Oh, it's fixed. Oh, good job. Wait, where is my chat? Okay. Okay, it works. Let's see, what is the other UI? Add a copy button, yes. Add a copy button to each. And a copy button to the agent response. And in Canvas. Oh, no. In Canvas, I need 2 buttons. So let's see if they can do that. Add following buttons. But yeah, Dan, on a serious note, whatever life shit is happening, trust me, a lot of people are going through same or similar things or have gone through same or similar things. So there is a fix, there is a solution, and that too shall pass. So have fun, relax, have faith, and enjoy life. In active chat window, add a copy button for my prompt and agent response for easy. Yeah. In canvas, so canvas is our this, oops, not this header. In canvas header, add a toggle between code and preview. So if it renders HTML, I want to see HTML rendered and code and preview, and add a copy button. Capish? Why did I write capish? It charges me tokens to do those things. I am a jackass. It responded with capish. So Dan, are you working on any fun apps, any fun projects other than games? And I love what I've created here. Next, you know what I want? I want to move around the agents because I normally would chat with Jarvis first. Like that would be my go-to general assistant, and it's on the 6th position. So I have these indicator keyboard shortcuts, but Jarvis is way too behind. I can't as of now. Oh, why you can't? Exams or oh, it's already added. Exams, I think is going on. Can I extend this more? No, I can't. Dude, it already added this. Look. I mean, nice. What did it copy? Let's see. Interesting. But is it just that part of the HTML? Very interesting. Too much pressure from college work, and now my college timing at 10 to 8. Oh, boy saab, morning 10 to 8. That's a lot. That's a lot. Oh yeah, you were saying you have to travel. You had to travel couple of hours, right? 1 hour, 1.5 hours one way or something? Oh man, that's a lot. And this you have to do every day? Your college classes every day? Typing indicator, copy button. So let's see, copy button done. So next I want to add a new message indicator. for non-active chat windows. Monday to Friday. Oh man, that sucks. I mean, I don't remember how. Did I have classes every day in Pune? Oh yeah. During my bachelor's, even I had classes every day. But then in during masters, it went down. It was 3 days a week, 2 days a week, things like that. Oh man, that sucks. But are you enjoying classes and schoolwork and all? Or is it a hassle? Is it a chore? Yeah, classes are fun. We like deep learning and we have fun network. Array, nice. I'm glad you enjoy deep learning and NLP. And even I loved NLP. I still love it. I don't use it. I mean, I don't. Oh, look. Oh, look. Yeah, I still enjoy those. It's interesting. Shows it. Okay, I think it's because of that. Yeah, I still enjoy those. But most of my work is now with LLMs and AI architecture and all. So I don't get to train NLP models and all. But even this is fun. I love architecting these things. So message indicator. Oops, didn't mean to do that. There you go. Context management, production build, app icon. Okay, I don't want to work on that right now. So let me commit all this. Git commit minus app. What happened? Ooh. So do you have any class project or anything? Or it's mostly course and exams and all? Like, do you have yearly projects or you topic wise projects that you work on at school? Okay, so this is working. So now we need this. And more specifically, yes, we need this. Yeah, semester projects, okay. Status. Perfect. Okay. Add a new status wheel to all the agent chats. time db example slash chat slash Jarvis slash status. The field is, what is the field? As a string field with values ideal default thinking researching. What was the final value? I think typing. Update the agent logic. I need to add this over here because agent logic to update the field to thinking. Before starting the agent container, and then update the field to ideal after responding. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, semester projects that we don't take too much seriously, and we have to choose one for this one. Oh, why don't you take it seriously? Is it like AI projects, ML projects, or what? You are in second year, right? Ted? Or first? Second, I think. Let's see, what else can we do? I think backend has more work that I need to do. Yes, we need to add these tools now. How do we do that? So there was a, for memory, there was a, shit, I forgot. I think I have it bookmarked somewhere. Where was that? Not this. Hey, where did it go? Shit. Shit. Where did it go? Oh my god. Oh, there you go. There you go. I knew I had bookmarked it. This is what I'm looking for. So for memory, I need to do this. Agent memory layer. We need to add this. Okay. 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 Let me do this. Let me do this. If I go here. Oh, it's not working correctly. See this? Why is the counter keep on increasing? Wait, what? Okay. I didn't touch that well. I just went along. And we'll make it like OpenClaw and put it on subscription cell. Oh man. Yeah, I can put it on subscription model, man. I'll go because people will bankrupt me. The thing with OpenClaw is like you have to add a API or a model to it, right? And if it's always running, people spend $200-$300, maybe more a month, depending on how they use it. If I have to like replace the whole thing, provide a subscription model. Oh man, it's not. Yeah, I mean it's doable. Like all these, like Dhruv Rathi's AI chat thingy, T3, all those things. They are the same thing. They use these models behind the scene, and they provide their own subscription on top of it. And they use API keys. It is doable if we make a really good thing. But it's about how people use it and how we need to add like caps to it. Yeah, let me see if I make a really good UI. Then I can. But again, Perplexity just came up with that. We already have OpenClaw. I'm sure OpenAI is going to come up with something like that in couple of months, because OpenAI guy took over OpenClaw. So let's see. I'm just building it for myself. Badges are not accurate. They seem to update in number every time I click through different agents, even though there is no new number. There's no new message. I think the problem with that is, with the badges is, there's no record of message read and unread. I think so, because there's no local DB. Yeah. And I think I need to add a local DB, because if you see this, the reason is, let me see if it's adding multiple listeners to it or something. So we have this WebSocket connection. And this is, I'm sure, for Firebase, yeah. Selling to right people, right person will make you a billionaire. Oh, yeah. But there has to be a niche. I mean, I was thinking after you said, I can. So that is a good idea. I'll keep that in mind. I'm not canceling it. I just have to make this idiot proof. And by I don't mean it in a wrong way. I mean like the most non-technical person can come in and start using it as agents, and it can do wonders for them, right? and it shouldn't cost me as much because it's like having token based or API based like selling it to thousands of customers. It's an expensive deal. So I have to make sure it there's a hard cap on the limit on the pricing that I provide, things like that. I'll think about it. I think it is doable. I am back. Oh, I thought you were 10. Thor met with a accident. He told me on Discord he's kind of. Oh man. Oi. Oh, that's so. Yeah, man. And that's so scary. I've been seeing a lot of such road accidents and stuff from India. Oh man, they're so scary. Let me finish my prompt here. I'll also add the status. That is what I was going to do. What is happening? Why can I click on Athena? At last, Athena, Bard, Hermes, Chavez, Marco. I can ask the agent to do that, but I'm just going to do it manually. Call Odin Loki and find the son of the gun. I know, man. So did the guy who hit him, like, did they then help him out or what happened? Okay, Jarvis is still thinking. I need to fix that. Oh no, status not Jarvis, status ideal. Not ideal. Oh, type. Good. Not this. Okay. So we have made changes to the backend. Okay. And yeah, I need to do this. Deploy it. Ooh, I'm streaming from the same machine where I'm doing all these builds and all. Okay, my GPU is at 30%, which is okay. That should be okay. Yeah, go tell Thor we are praying for his speedy recovery and hope he's back on his feet very, 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 very soon. I don't like this music, man. It feels like they're just repeating the same tune again and again. Ooh. How about this? Yo, one doubt are you are using same AI with different name and role. Yeah, what's I didn't get that. So with AI, the music is nice. Similar to Fiesta. Yeah, right now it's the same model everywhere. All of these are using the same model. Let me reduce the volume for me. Yeah, all of them are using the same model. There are a few thoughts here, right? So for agents, you can do that technically. And when I say technically, I mean for agents, it's about the context, the role, and the data you provide to the agent. So the model will behave differently given the context and the prompt and everything, right? So you can use the same model for everything. But I say technically because then some agents are good at certain things, some agents are bad at certain things. So for coding tasks, generally Claude or OpenAI's Codex are really good at that. So for coding tasks, if you want to build a coding agent, you want to use a good LLM that codes well. There are some LLMs that are cheaper and better for tasks like summarizing and all those things. So maybe you can just use open source LLM for that. So everyone like AI Fiesta, T3, everyone does the same thing. They provide you with all the models and then you can use whichever you want. Oh, you're saying Dhruv Rathi's AI Fiesta uses the same model? Like same model and just different names? Name, IT guard, your root, your assistant. Yeah, something like that. Yes. So for let me show you. I'll show you my prompts. So let's say for Jarvis, or let's say Hermes prompt. Yeah. So this is the prompt for one of the agent, right? So my whole cluster of agents is AI agent army. So that's why it says army's news and wire information courier, blah blah blah. But yeah, this is the identity, this is the personality and tone, these are the communication rules, how they can use canvas, things like that. So then now it's the same LLM, but now it behaves differently. And then you provide different context to it. By context, I mean different information along with prompts. So now it behaves to the same information differently. So it's still the same AI, but then it's not exactly same. Does that make sense? I can give you an example. So let me do this first. Okay. So if we go here, let's go here, right? This is Athena. So if I ask her, what can you do? Right? Okay, thinking is working. And then while she thinks, I'll go to Atlas and ask the same question. Ooh, Athena responded. So Athena responded, I function as my research and analytical engine. Sorry, I need to drink water. Won't it hit the rate limit after calling certain amount on all AI models? After calling a certain amount, all AI models will stop working as all are the same. So there are multiple ways. You can use different API keys for that. You can rotate the API keys for that. And then if you are using API keys, the general limit is higher for these. So it shouldn't matter that much. So let me show you. Let's see Atlas. So Atlas came up with its health and fitness partner. So it then provided me its capabilities over here. Since it has everything to do with health and nothing else. When you look at Athena, it has everything to do with research and analysis and nothing else. So see, it also gave me examples on how to engage, things like that. So for rate limits again, let's see. Okay, I deleted all my shortcuts, man. One more doubt there. You drink tap water or RO water? Tap water. Tap water. Usage. If you see, request per model, rate limit. Yeah, so I've been using, where is my model? 3.1 flash, right? See this model? I don't know how. Yeah, I'm using this model for testing, flashlight. And it's rate limit per minute. Yeah, RPM is, I think, that. Yeah, it's around 4K, 4,000 requests per minute. And then RPD, rate limit per day, I think, is 150K. And what is TPM? Tokens per million. Hey, token thing. What is TPM? I forget. Or maybe they'll. Oh yeah. Input tokens per minute allowed. Yeah, request per minute and request per day. Yeah. So let's see here. Oh, where is that? 3.1 flashlight. Yeah. So 3.1's request per minute is 4,000 requests I can send per minute. So even if I'm sending every second, what is 4,000 divided by 60? I can send 66 requests per second. I'm far from it. How many tokens can I send per second? There are 4 million tokens per minute. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing that. That's way too many tokens. And request per day is 150K. So 150K divided by 24. So every hour I can send 6,000 requests. So every minute I can send 100 requests, and then I'll hit the rate limit. Even then I might not hit the rate limit. So we have a lot of bandwidth there. Okay, so this worked. They responded. So this is good. This is good. Message, badge, fix. Okay. Oops. this works. Init minus -am added status update to RTDB. Did I do git push? Git fetch, not fit fetch, git fetch. Git rebase. Okay, good. Goody. So we did this. Oh, memory. This is an important one. If we do it correctly, we would solve a huge problem. Thing is, how do I proceed with this? But you know what? Before I do that, before I implement this, I want the agent the capability to search their existing memory. Right now they can't do that. I don't want to see the workspaces. Jarvis history. They cannot search this. Let's ask Gemini, how do we provide these tools? It's just a matter of providing CLIs for them. Like we can. Is it a prompt thing or is it a CLI thing? Okay, so we have. This is Maya, right? Okay. The next step is to handle memory management. Right now, I want to just set up file-based memories. Support. Or should I do both file-based and semantic? So with file-based, we can easily do BM25. Was it BM25? Yeah, BM25 search, right? I don't think these agents are still very dumb. If I ask her, ask Jarvis. I don't think it even knows what is the date today. See, date agnostic. I'll be back. I need to eat my tea. Yeah, I just thought before again setting up memory, we want to set up the architecture to provide tools and skills. That is interesting. How do we do that? Because now the question is, over time we'll add more tools and skills to this, and they will develop their own tools and skills. Like see, this generate graph, it created this and then saved it. One option is we do per agent tools and skills. Other option is we do a common tools and skills that are available to everyone, and then we do per agent. Okay, yeah, let's do that. So identic AI, let's see, tools and tool sets, function tools, advanced tools. Does it I think it has some CLI tools, right? Can you do ls in your ls and give me list of directories you can see. There are no subdirectories in here. The only thing in the current working directory is the script I generated for you. Okay. So it can only see the sandbox. Okay. So let's see, how does tools work here? Roll a dice, get player name. So it at agent tool, right? Advanced tool features. Let me read. The tools are going to be part of the main code base, and we are going to launch them. Let's start with what's the easiest part, right? So in our agents, we are going to add a shared tool. Oh, we already have a tools. What the hell? Oh, we already have some tools. Okay. Create a bash tools. Okay, we have a lot of bash tools. Okay, let's just use this. And do we use this anywhere? Register file tools, register bash tools. Yeah, internal. Okay. Cool. Okay. I'll just tell it to create and read. What does this do? Let's see one more time. Okay. create and register a tool that allow agents to get the current date, time, date and time. That's all we need for now. Current date, time. Agent to access the day, date and time. Yeah. So once we have this, then we'll add another tool that will allow agents to search their history. And that is going to be interesting because we just want them to search their own history and nothing else. After that, we'll add this. After that, we'll add this. Unconnected to all agents, no config needed. Every agent will. Okay, perfect. Good job. Very good. So if I push this, so now the agent will have this info. Is everyone gone? Looks like everyone is gone. Yeah, looks like everyone is gone. No. So code guy, are you working on anything? I mean, you are, but what are you working on nowadays? Hey, do you stream? I don't get a notification. I don't know why. I think I clicked on the notification thing. I still don't get it. Okay. So now we'll go. Guess what? Oh no, not here. You should be able to tell me today's date now. Aren't you happy? What the fuck? I didn't gain any new capability. What the fuck? You did get a new capability. Oh, jackass. Okay, so I'm sure everyone has the date time access. Yeah, I think this is still the notification. Yeah, very good. Can you summarize our discussions from yesterday? We can play here. I can say. Okay, so now it doesn't have history. So now we'll add a tool. So for each agent, we have a history folder and a date. Add a search history tool. That allows agents to search in their own I don't think they see the history table. Their own history folder. In their workspaces. I think we might need to mount history directory for the agents. Yeah, I don't think we are doing that right now. Yo, Parth. Welcome. How are you doing, buddy? Welcome, Parth. Hey, you are in US, right? I'm doing good. I'm doing very good. I don't know history directory already. Let's ask. Do you see history directory? Ooh. See, I can tell. I can see exactly where you are right now. Oh, there you are. Okay. Import of the history No, I'm just kidding. Dox me. You are somewhere in United States. either in the eastern or central or western part of US. You are in one of the 50 states. I don't know, man. I had a question for you when I asked you whether you are in US or not, but then I forgot about the question. Okay, let's deploy this and see how it goes. Yeah, I forgot. What was the question? DM. It was a very important question. Life and death question. Oh well. Tough luck. I forgot. I forgot. So how's life? What are you doing? What are your weekend plans? Doing anything fun? No plans? Why? Okay, let's play a game. Describe a general cliche about the state or the city you are in, and I'll try to guess where you are. I want to go out, but I don't want to now. I wanted to go out, but oh, it's not. You are worried about the life and death question. Okay, it's up and running. First, stop begging for real work. I'll give you some bubble. Now, can you list our historical conversation? Okay. Can you summarize our yesterday's conversation? Be patient, my grasshopper. I am training you for the best version of you. All right. All right. We have history. Let's save it. Oh, that's memed as the no work city, also known as a major tech hub. And tech hub, that is such an easy guess. The tech hub is Bay Area, Silicon Valley. So you are in California. That's one. Other guess could be you are in Texas. So because Austin is also known as the tech hub. I won't name the exact city, but how close am I? So we gave. Where is it? Where is my list? Oh no. This is my list. So we did give it a. Oops. Memory search. For semantic search. We need to do this. You gave such a easy. Was it California? So are you in tech? Are you in doing computer science or something? Or are you working there? Oh, Austin. Ooh, dude. We love Austin. I've been there just once. But oh my god, I love the city. The food trucks. It isn't Austin's motto keep Austin weird or something? Or you are in Texas, not in Austin? I'm doing PT now, looking for FT roles. You're doing part-time role, okay. Are you in tech? Like, are you hardware, software, AI? Oh yeah? I think it is, right? Oops, didn't mean to do this. Keep Austin. Yeah, see, keep Austin weird. It's a popular motto since 2000. I think they also have this thing somewhere. See, keep Austin weird. Computer science. Oh, okay. Yeah, but we were there once. Loved the food trucks. Yummy. And hated the summer. Holy crap. So for this we need 3 agents. Memory orchestrator. This is going to be a root agent. I don't think I need to do this right now. I want to do this because I want to learn it. Oh yeah, Indian, but I don't think we tried any Indian restaurants there because we came from Bay Area, right? Bay Area is like filled with Indian restaurants. But yeah, in general, yeah. But we tried Mexican food. Oh, have you tried the Mexican food trucks, Tex-Mex restaurants and all? They were so good. Yeah, I'm confused whether I should work on this right now or later on. Maybe later on. I'll add a thing for this. No, oh, try it. Yeah, I'm trying to think whether I should add this feature or not. By the way, Parth, we are right now building my own swarm of agents. So I'm slowly adding features to it as we go. And there's this always on memory, which I'm trying to think whether I should add it or not. Okay, we'll do this later only. I want to add, yes, I want to add this. This is better. Reminders. So for reminders, we need few things, right? One, we need a database. I mean, technically we can put reminders in file system as well, but database reminders would make task easier for us. So we can have it in database. We can have the agents save it to the database, and then we have a loop running outside that would constantly poll the database and ping the agent that, hey, you had set this reminder. Okay, let's see how to do that. To add a capabilities for agents to save reminders for me and for themselves. Yeah. So see these are all different agents. This is for research, this is for health and fitness, this is social content. It's not functional everything, but I'm just creating this army of agents. And where does the scroll down? Okay. Yeah, I'm creating this army of agents that will answer me different things, that will do different things for me in the background. Maybe we'll also add it to a YouTube chat so that it does things for you too. On chat, on stream, but let's see. That is the plan. Yeah, so let's see. How do we do that himself? It needs to feel natural. When I ask the agent to remind me something, it needs to feel natural for the agents, so they know this reminder is for them and they can act on it. How you access those agents? So right now I have deployed it on my PC. So I have this whole Docker swarm on my PC. Yeah. Oh shit, I opened logs. But yeah, I have this whole Docker swarm on my PC that has all these agents over there. And I'm using Firebase real-time database So I post my message there. The agents keep listening to that, and when they get a message, they act on it and they respond to me back. Yeah. Open weight models? No, right now I'm using paid model, but my long-term plan is to use open weight models. But I don't. My GPU is 8 GB. It can't do good open weight models. I mean, those models are good for like quick question answer and minor stuff, but if you want to get real stuff done, the things that I have in mind, I need like real good models, which my GPU cannot handle. So I'm planning to eventually get a more powerful machine or a GPU and build it from there. Unfortunately, there's a scarcity, so I don't know when will I do that, but let's see. I am thinking of creating a table in my Postgre SQL that I can pull on and wake up agents with the correct prompt when the reminder is due. Tool or a function call. Okay, that's what I was thinking. Owner agent, target user or agent. Let me see. Does the agent know my name? Do you know my name? Oh, really? He doesn't know my name? Say my name. Yeah, they don't know my name. He's saying the truth. Oh no. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm also working on research study to benchmark different open weight and closed weight models on a qualitative healthcare study. Oh. I was set up an open weight and ensure they can close. So what are your doubts about closed weights? Like why are you unsure? Okay. I need to know. Support service between background task. Okay. If the target is user, the gateway pushes a message. Yeah, telling you about this. Reminder, the UI renders it as notification or a pinned message. I am thinking, do I like this? Do I want gateway to push the message? Let's see. Oh, okay. So there are multiple tools. So if you are worried about the costs, if purely cost is a thing, you can directly call the APIs right? And then I think you can cap the APIs to maximum use. So I was just showing that ai.google.dev, right? So I'm using Gemini right now. So if you go to AI Studio, you can get the API keys, and then they have a spend limits. Yeah. So like I have set the spend limit to $20 for anything experimental that I'm doing. Oh, it's not the project. Okay. So I've set the cap to $20. So after $20, the agent stops working basically. For Gemini, this is still in beta, but I think Anthropic or OpenAI, yeah, OpenAI has not OpenClaw. OpenAI has their. Oh man, I have to log in. Most of them has it. So like top three, not top three, but the three that I'm using, they have. Three that I'm using, they do have it. Okay, I'm not going to log in now, but yeah, the three that they do have it. So for OpenAI, that I think it's credit based. So you can say, let's say you want to spend $10, you get you add like $10 to it. So it will work till you have the tokens worth $10, and then it will stop working. Same for Anthropic. For Google, it's the other way around. It's a cap that you put. It's not. So you have to link your credit card or something, and then it spends till that cap and stops. But it's a new feature for Google. They just added this last week or so. So it's still in experimental phase or beta. So things might go wrong. I would say start with OpenAI or Anthropic, for which this default feature, it works every time. But yeah, my concern was that like when I'm experimenting, like just last night it happened that my backend process went crazy, and it just asked the same question to the agent 5 times. Right? What would happen if I wasn't near the desk and it kept happening? I would just get like $500,000-$600,000 bill at the end of the month, right? So this cap kind of helps mitigate that. And then you can also set alerts that okay, it reached 10%, 50% of your cap, 60% of your cap. And worst case scenario, you can just go ahead and delete the API key, disable the API key, and then you won't be charged. So I would say start with those. There are also tools. I think OpenRouter and bin cap. Does OpenRouter have it? Oh yeah, see, OpenRouter is also a good option. OpenRouter is slightly expensive than directly going to the companies of the models. But the good thing is with OpenRouter, you can just have one API key and you can call all the models using same API key. So in that case, it's easier to manage. And I think if they have a spending cap, you don't have to worry about costs. So can you explain how many API calls would eat up the cap limit? I don't think it's how many. It's hard to say how many API calls, right? So if your API call is just a message, what are you doing or how are you? Let's say like a simple question. It might take some time for the tokens. It's like, okay, let me rewind. Okay, so for cap limit, it depends on how many tokens are you consuming, right? So the spending is based on cap limit, on the token limit. Let's see. Can I see the pricing here? Wait. Google AI pricing. Not subscription. Billing, Gemini API pricing, yeah. So if you see, let's see, I'm using this one. Where's the pricing? Where is the pricing? Pricing. Yeah, so for Gemini 3.1 Pro, there are $2 per million token. If the oh man, this is so confusing. I'll find the easy one. Oh yeah, this is easy. So this is 0.25, so 25 cents per million tokens. So now million token, it's hard for me to explain, but generally million token is a lot of tokens, like a lot of text. 1 million tokens, 2 words. Yeah, around 750,000 English words. So like it's a, like, yeah, like you see, right? 1,500 pages of book or 10 novels or things like that. So depending on what is your task and how much text it's processing, your cap will be reached, right? It also depends on there's another catch to it, that coding task might need more tokens, because there's a technique that they do in the backend where certain words are tokenized and cached. So the words, like if I say translate, they'll have a fixed token for translate. But for coding tasks, like our Python code, lot of those things are not, they are tokenized, but they are not cached. So they take away more tokens from your cap. But if you are just working with text, yeah, 1 million token is a lot. So if it's charging 0.25 per 1 million text tokens, $10 will get you a lot of text. But then if you add image, audio, video, it starts eating away the tokens faster. All right, where was I? Yeah, so Gemini suggested that if the target is user, the gateway pushes the special message to chat's agent name path reminder. I don't want this. So for the dispatch, if target is user, I want the agent to remind me in its own way instead of programmatic. For example, I might ask agent to remind me to drink water with a sassy tone. Oh yeah, of course, man. So you are doing what is the research related to the benchmark the open weight and closed weight models on a qualitative healthcare study. Interesting. Healthcare, AI in healthcare is going to be huge as well. I mean, that was my original goal, that I wanted to be in healthcare domain, but I found another exciting job. So yeah, what are you planning to do? It should trigger the mini instance loop. Hey, you set a reminder for the user to drink water and deliver that. Okay. Okay, this I like. Oh yeah, yeah. Health. So the thing with healthcare and healthcare tech is it's generally slow. They are very slow to adopt to not slow, but they are precautious. They are very cautious to adapt to new tech because it's healthcare, right? It's you don't want to take risks. But like with AI, I think it's going to be fast. Can I do this? Should work. I can standard work. I can standard work. Good. I like that. I'll just heat my tea 30 seconds. Oh yeah, yeah. Things are very slow. All right. So we want to add reminders to this. So let's do it in 3 phases, right? Let's see. The schema does make sense. Okay. We'll create a new instance. Write a detailed prompt. We need to add reminder mechanism. To Maya. This enables both. This enables agents to set reminders for both users and themselves. I'll just ask it. It makes sense. Makes sense. Can you create a prompt for my detailed prompt? I'll tell detailed prompt. For my programming agent. You know what? I'm afraid this guy doesn't know a lot of things, so I'll write the prompt myself. This enables the agent to remember both users and themselves. To do this, create a new. What was the table name we decided? Reminders table. Reminders table in PostgreSQL with attached schema. Give me the table schema in JSON. Okay, I don't want to attach a image to this. Create. Okay. Let's think one thing at a time. Schema. Okay. add tools for agents to wait. ID owner agent, yes. Add agent tools to CRUD reminders. Then what? Use a background. Task or library like hold a table. Okay. Dispatch. This is what I want to change. And if the target is user, add something like this so that the agent reminds add something like the code below so that the agent reminds the user in its persona. Okay. We created the remind table. We gave the agents tools to remind us that belong to them only. To pull the table, every need get to the dispatch if agent. The note, the reminder, this patch shouldn't be the part of UI, but the agent action might be. Make sure the chat app is the default UI value. Ask all of it. I mean, it's smart enough to do things without my follow-up questions, but I'm just going to tell it. This is going to be a interesting feature. I think I'm going to continue working on this offline. It looks like most of you are away anyways, and it's not fun to stream to a zero viewer stream. So yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Yeah, okay. But anyway, I was thinking to, how do we make a coding stream exciting, right? I need to think about it. Oh, by the way, next stream we are going to stream on Twitch as well, and we'll go back to the BlockParty. Ooh, my exploration, somebody. What is this? Yeah, we are going to do a Twitch stream, and we are going to use our BlockParty project, if you remember, to hook it with the stream Twitch's chat and see how it works. I'm super pumped. People never find education stream exciting. I know. I think it. Oh, it has 8 tasks. I think if the product we are building, if it's something that everyone can relate to or can use, but that's the thing. AI has depreciated the value of such products, because now theoretically anyone can build it. So unless there's something else that I can do with it, need to think about it. And what song is this, man? It's freaky. Okay, this is freaky. Oh, this is a freaky song. Let's see, now we have the reminders table. You know what other thing I want to add with reminders? I have a dashboard that I created for my agents. Oh, this is hard-coded data.
Are you scared? I am you.
Come on, load. Good thing is my GPU is holding at 30% and my CPU is at, not CPU, but my temperature is 40, which is okay, I guess. But yeah, this is the dashboard that I created for all my agents. If you see here, oh, what happened? No logs available. Okay. So maybe I'll does this show Gemini? Yeah, it does. Maybe I'll add a, oh yeah, I'll add the reminders over here. Oh, this is good. I'll add reminders over here so that I can keep an eye. Maybe reminders over here. Yeah, maybe reminders over here. So even I can see what all reminders it has set. And I can manually trigger it from here. One part of me wants to add that dashboard to this. That is still buggy. I'll have to figure out a way to fix it. But yeah, add a dashboard to this app, so I have one app for everything. But I don't know how to do that. I don't know whether I should do that or not how to do that. So Parth, is your focus on data science? It looks like it's on data science, but then more algorithm development and all that, or it's more software / LLM engineering kind of a task role? US doesn't have any good free TS for students, right? Like in the all these paid models. You said yep. I asked you 2 questions. You said one yep. How do I interpret that? Boom, 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 pak, boom, 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 pak, pak, boom, 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 pak, boom, 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 pak, boom, boom, boom. Oh, I got Gemini Pro 1. Oh, okay. That Gemini Pro is cool. No, Gemini Pro doesn't have API free tiers. Okay. And Gemini as a model is okayish, goodish, I guess. But it has so many features, like so many integrations and all, that it makes it more usable than it actually is. Yeah, I'm doing more data science and everything. Not okay. Okay. So, are you into like more research and developing models and all? That's what I meant by my question. Like LLM engineering is again a combination of software slash AI. Like if you are training like pure models, is like pure data science, right? So okay, you're doing that. Oh, that's cool, man. So let's see if this can do that. Can you set reminders? Ah, okay. Look at this. Look at the attitude. I asked Jarvis like, can it set reminders? And it's saying it can write to a file that I can check, or it can add a to-do item. Essentially, and then it says, essentially, I am a high-performance engine, not a secretary with a calendar. If you want a processor, you'll need a rigger. Now let's see. Now let's see. I'm going to make it my secretary with a calendar. Let's deploy. Man, so I've given a sassy personality to Jarvis. So it thinks very high of itself. So if you see all the responses, like I'm testing, right, a lot of them, then it got bored and it was like, can we please move on to actual project, or are we going to keep checking filing cabinet for ghosts? That is freaking toxic jackass. And then like in one of the messages it says, is there a real task we can move on to? Are we still auditing logs? Man, super sarcastic. Maybe I need to change the sarcasm meter to low. It's supposed to make me feel better. Oh, maybe I can have that. Oh, sarcasm meter. Can we? I'll just add it over here. Sarcasm meter. Sorry. Emotion meter. Where? Oopsie daisies. We have an error. Let's see the logs. Oopsie daisies. Oh. I am getting this error when I deploy this to Docker. I think it didn't, I don't think it changed any of the, yeah, it didn't change my restart script. But it doesn't need to. It doesn't need to do that because those scripts should be automatically updated. I still need to change this so that I don't have to build and release every time. But then I can't chat with the agent while I can't chat with Maya. By the way, my agents, the app's name is Maya, MAIAA, which stands for My Artificially Intelligent Agentic Army. And so I can't chat with Maya while my coding agent is working, because it will make changes and Docker will crash. So I want to keep it like that. Oh, standing and coding is more fun than sitting and coding, right? We can dance around. It's a good workout. Okay, core worked. Last time core didn't. Core was the one that was creating an issue. Oh yeah. And we have an issue. Okay, core is healthy. Let's go. Let's have the logs ready. Get a walking pad too. I want to, man. I want to, but then I have so much shit down here. I have a stream deck paddle. I have to. I know. I really want to. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Now, can you set reminders? I'm going to see if it actually does. Do one thing. I'm going to test it, okay? So instead of asking it to set a reminder, do one thing. Set a reminder for yourself to surprise me with something delightful in 1 minute. So let's see if it actually does that. Oh, it did. It did. Okay, it has set the reminder. Oh man. Okay. Okay, it's shaping up to be good. Can you see the message? Is it is the text readable in stream? Easy workout for productiveness. I know. But like I said, it's a space issue right now. Once we get a new place, I'll set it up better. I need like 2 more monitors and everything. No, oh, I should have said in 30 seconds, but a minute is also okay. We'll just watch the logs for a minute. Okay, something happened. Loaded Jarvis is going up. Jarvis responded. I didn't see any response. Okay, oh, see, the reminder just got dispatched. So what did Jarvis respond? Nothing happened. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it says it's completed. But I don't see anything. Let's see database. Nothing happened here. So it launched Jarvis, but it didn't do anything. What did it launch Jarvis with? Let's see. Where the hell is? Oh yeah.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper.
Oops. What's happening? Okay. So it did launch Jarvis. Surprise the user with something delightful. Right? Please address this now. Okay. Was there an output? Okay, it did send the output here, but the but we didn't get it in UI. That is because we don't have a. Did it enter it into the events? Let's see events. So what has happened is the Jarvis did respond, but our apps. Oh man, there's so many events. How do I even? Sort by. Sort by. Created date. Created at. Is it sort by? Or is it sort? How do I sort? Or maybe I can just do sort manually right now for the sake of speed, because I don't have like 1,000 of these. 311. There has to be a sort feature here. But there's no sort feature here. What the hell? That's not fair. That is not fair. Graph visualizer. Query of data. So I think what has happened is I need to see the event. I cannot decide without that. Order by. I think it's order by, not sort by. Order by created at. There you go. Is this ascending? Descending? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this was the event that was agent was this. Okay, so we created the event. But then nothing happened. So the ideal expected behavior is once we complete the event, it needs to send me a message. So I don't need you. Sorry. So a reminder kind of what agent set possible to set a reminder and is able to set the reminder and write to output JSON, but I didn't get message in UI after event was completed. So basically what it needs to do is it needs to again read this response and then update the database, our real-time database, so that we get the response over there. And this is fun, huh? Building this. Maybe bye, streamer. Got to go take it. All right, Prath. Have a nice one. See you later. Found the issue. Look at this. I told you this when the linked event is chat up. The source reminder. Yes, okay, so let's release it again. So now it should work. So next I want to understand I'm thinking maybe I give some skills to it, but I need to test those skills first. Let's see. Oh, there's the thing. Last reminder didn't work. As you can see here. Let's do this again. Okay, this is going to be last feature before I end the stream. If this works. Wait. Why is Jarvis not responding? Jarvis! Jarvis, what happened? Anything wrong with the server? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we have an error. Right? Oh. Ooh, is it a... I am worried with the error that I saw. I am worried about this max retries. Why am I getting this error? I am worried about this error. Why would it retry so many times? Especially when it just has to listen. Did it change anything in Firebase DB? Because the file is not ready to remember the issue that it has no error when the listener for the agent fails, it stays in active user. Because attached listener has no try escape. Not Docker Compose.
Never stop, no rest till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests. More blessed. Dug deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Calm down, make new thoughts like
I wonder if I'm simply... There are 8 connections out of 200k. I wonder if I have to make sure I reset the connection or disconnect gracefully when I rebuild the app, restart the server, things like that. We need to gracefully handle disconnecting from real-time DB when we redeploy or restart the Fast API server. Ooh, things are breaking. Yeah, see, there's no cleanup at all. Jackass. Yeah, we have active listeners. Let's try to deploy this. Whew, tired. I need a break. I really want to see this feature working before I call it. Okay. I am getting this error now. See, that's why I don't like making huge changes using agent. I'm like, I enjoy making, like, not enjoy, but I'm comfortable making like small changes, testing the small things, testing those. There's a Docker daemon issue. Really? Is my Docker daemon? Ooh. Docker daemon issue? Yeah. Docker says I need to do it from here. So I am such a jackass. What am I? I am a jackass. Pause. Restart. Restart. Why is it not restarting? Do I need task manager? Docker desktop and task. Right, Docker is done. It's still on. Why is this doing this to me, Docker? I'm not able to restart. I'm not able to shut down. I cannot restart my PC because then I have to end the stream. Quit. Quit. Not working. Hi, Docker. Maybe this is a sign? End task. Okay, I think it did. I think it finally did. Okay, my stream is on. Good. What was I looking for? Docker. Not here. This is so confusing because I have remotely logged into my PC. Bum 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 baram baram ba bum bum pararara pararara pararara. We'll give it 2 more minutes, else we'll call it a day because Docker is not starting. That is a different problem now. Hopefully it's not related to my other PC issues. Please, no God, please start Docker. It doesn't start. What's happening? Okay, guys.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around.
Hey.
Empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care.
This is so confusing. My Docker engine is not starting. It's so frustrating. It's so irritating. Okay, this is it. I think this is a sign that I need to call it a day. I'm going to end the stream. Like I said, next stream we'll try to dual stream if my PC survives till then, and we'll take it from there. So thank you so much everyone who joined. Tan, Prath, Code Guy, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you all next time. Till then, adios. Take care. Stay safe, guys. Bye. And